He says, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, think of the scene, that Hajar looked at Ismail and she saw the pain that he was in, turning around, groaning, whining, unable to bear the harshness of the environment, this baby. And the Prophet ﷺ says that she looked away because she couldn't see her baby in that pain anymore. This is the Prophet ﷺ telling you that Hajar ran out of the ability to even look at Ismail alayhi salam in this state. And she started to run between As-Safa and Al-Marwa. And the Prophet ﷺ says in the hadith that this is where the Hujjaj and the people of Umrah take the practice of going between Safa and Marwa. And then when she heard that voice, or she heard that sound of Jibreel alayhi salam, as she was running in desperation, she called out, "Whoever it is that caused me to hear you, whoever you are, I have no idea who you are. هل عندك غواث? Any help, any water, anything you can do for us?" And at that moment, the Prophet ﷺ says that she looked at Jibreel alayhi salam, and Jibreel alayhi salam with his heel struck the ground, and then Zamzam comes bursting out, providing not just for her and her child, but bursting through the ground. And he says, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that Hajar goes to the ground and she starts to dig the well around that bursting water. And he says, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, yarhamullah Ismail, law tarakat Zamzam lakanat Zamzam aynan ma'ina. He said, may Allah have mercy on the mother of Ismail. If she would have left Zamzam to flow, it would have flown throughout the earth, meaning it would have flowed throughout the earth and touched every single part of its surface. But she carved out that area of the well from which we benefit from today.